All right, now we're doing 7Q next prime. This is by Zruff, and 83% of the people like it. We're going to find the next prime number. We're going to get a number that number n that's greater than or equal to 0, and our task is to find the next prime number. We're going to make sure to optimize our code. There will be numbers tested up to a bajillion. All right? Yes, and we will do all that right now. Coming up. No, I'm just kidding. So right now we're going to take care of the smallest case, which is anything less than 2, like 0 or 1, is going to equal 2 no matter what. So we're going to say if n is less than 2, return 2. All right? That takes care of that. And then we're going to say, we're going to do for loop. We're going to say for let I equals 2, okay? And while I is less than math.square root of n, and if you don't know what math.square root is basically how we get square roots in this game we play. All right, and so that's what we do. And then we're going to say I plus plus, iterating to the next number. All right. So what we're going to do here is say if n divided by I doesn't have a remainder, has no remainder. So if n remainder operator I equals 0, then that means it's not prime. So we're going to have to return next prime n. And what's this if you don't know? Well, this is recursion, and it's the act of a function calling itself to solve problems that contain smaller subproblems. So if it doesn't work this time, we'll do it again. And if it doesn't work next time, we'll do it again. And we're just going to iterate through until it does work, okay? And then, no. Right here we have to do less than or equal to, because if it's the square root, it's got to we got to go the next prime also. All right, so we got that. I didn't do this. My bad. So we got that. And then we got this, and now we're going to return in, because if it doesn't go back through this, it must be prime. Let's test it out and see. That's terrible. What's the problem now? All right. Oh yeah, it's not in. If it's like if n plus 1, or actually if plus plus n is less than 2, okay? And that's what it was. I would like to do plus 1. Watch what happens when we do plus 1. Test it out. Nope, doesn't work. So we're going to say plus plus. All right, test it out. Oh, finally, good. Attempt it. There we go. 110 milliseconds. Submit. All right, very much like this one. Yeah, this one, I'm not too down with this one. What? Anyway, this one, it would take a while to figure that one out, but it's pretty much the same as this one, and not that one. But anyway, let's go to my solutions. Yep, just me right here. Best practice in my opinion. Very much liked it already. And we'll see you next time.